Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the text size on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called Accessibility. Within here choose Text Size, and then you can set this to the size you want. After this you could enable bold text if you wanted. That's how to change the text size on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.